So you just saw like a clip of my old microwave, me cleaning out the top of the cabinet. I'm going to install this new one here real quick. Hopefully it goes smooth. I've had this sitting here for like 4 months, so I need to go ahead and put it in. It's brand new. It's got a little dent on it. I'll show you how to remove the old one, put the new one in, test it out, and see how it goes. So stay tuned for that. So we've got the new one in here, old one right here, white, stainless steel, then we're getting a stainless steel one here. The bracket on the back of this fits this one. So I didn't have to use the bracket that came with this one. I set it over there. So I'm gonna put it in real quick, screw it down, see if it goes in smooth. That's it. That's how it goes. So here, let me see it. So me and my wife just finished installing this. Got 2 screws here. Had to cut a new hole for this, but let's turn this on. And it comes on. That wasn't too bad. All right, let me get the tray for it and then I'll turn it on and see if it spins. The tray. And it's spinning. There we go, all done.